In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Roblox password without using the email. Maybe you forgot the email and maybe you just want to get into your account. This video is going to show you how you can do that. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and let's get into the video. So I'm going to try and sign into my account here, which is KnowledgeBase, but let's pretend that I don't know the password. So we're going to click login, and obviously it's not going to let me log in. And I've just noticed here there is a forgot password or username link here, so you can click on that. You've got to find that link wherever you are on the Roblox page, and it's going to ask you to enter in your email to reset your password. But if you don't know the email, then it says here, if you did not give us a real email address, we cannot send you an email. So that's a bit of a problem there. So what you need to do is you can use your phone number to reset the password. So in your account, if you've got your phone number linked, you can actually use that to reset your password. So I'm going to click United Kingdom and I'm going to enter in the phone number that's linked onto my account. What's going to happen is I'm now going to send a 6-digit code to the phone. So I've just got the code here, it's 555112. And now I can click verify. And now it's going to ask me to create a new password and confirm that password. So I'm just going to do that now. Once you've done that, we can click submit. And there we go, we're now back in Roblox. So that's how you can do it, guys. If that video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, make sure, if you want more Roblox tutorials, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.